All right, guys, we're back to the second question of Unit 8. So basically, on this question, I was given 3, 9, and 27. Bam, 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 bam. So this is my question. Basically, what they're asking me to do is find the seventh term. They want me to find the seventh term. So as you can see here, it's by exponents. The way I'm seeing it is that it goes 3, 9, 27, right? What's 3 to the first power? 3. 3 to the second power? 9. 3 to the third power? 27. Okay, so I'm seeing this go by an exponent. So basically, let me look back at my notes. So basically, the formula we're gonna use is this one right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. This one right here, SNR. This one. Let me write it down for you guys. It's gonna be SN. They want us to find not the seventh term, not find the seventh. They want us to find the sum of the seventh term. So SN is the sum. Then we go A1 first term, 1 minus RN, which is the term. And then after that, let's go here. It's going to be 1 minus R. So what does R mean? So R equals to ratio, which means, in parentheses, what the pattern is multiplication or division. So basically that's what our R stands for. Our A1 is our first term, which is 3, and this is gonna be our what we see by what it's being multiplied by, and N is gonna be our term. So we know our R, we know our first term, we know the N. N is gonna be the seventh because we're trying to find the sum of the seventh term. A1 is the first term, which is 3, and R is 3. R is 3 because we multiply this, we get 3, right? Multiply this times 3, we get 9. 9 times 3 equals 27, and so on and so forth. So what we gotta do now, let's plug in the numbers. 3 with 1 minus 3 to the power of 7, right? And 1 minus 3. Okay, so what do we do here? We're going to want to figure this out. What do we get here? Let me just make sure my math is right. Yeah. So we're gonna distribute these, and we're gonna do this. So let's go for this 2187 in my calculator. Then we're gonna subtract by 3. Okay. So, and then what do we get at the bottom number? This bottom number is gonna be -2. Oh, my bad. Let me plug in the 3. Where's the 3? 3. This times this is gonna be 3 minus 6, 5, 6, 1. Divide this by 2. So let's subtract this to this. We're gonna get 6,558 negative. Let's make sure we carry over our negatives. This is a -2 divided by -2. So if we plug this into our calculator, we are going to get what the final answer. Let me just move this up a little bit. Final answer of 3,279. And this is our final answer. This is the sum of the seventh term. When they say the sum of a certain term, they mean all the way from the first term to whatever term they're asking for. You sum up all the numbers, and this is what you get. So the sum of the seventh term is 3,279. and 79. Let me just make sure it's a 7. So yeah, thank you.